There are a number of times in the course where you're going to see the Greek capital letter sigma. This is also known as a summation. This symbol tells you that you should take the sum of all the observations, in other words, add them. Here we have 4 observations. At the beginning of the summer semester, students were asked how many pets they own. I have a random sample here of 4 students. The first person said they had 0. The next person said 2, 3, and 3. So we're going to call this our x variable. Let's compute sigma x. In other words, the sum of all of the observations. So sigma x here is going to be 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3. We're just going to add the number of pets that each student in this sample said that they had. 0 plus 2 plus 3 plus 3 gives us 8. The first time you're going to see sigma in the course is when you're computing a sample mean, also known as an average. This is symbolized by x bar. X bar is equal to sigma x divided by n. In other words, the sum of all of the observations divided by the number of observations. In this case, we found that sigma x was equal to 8, and we have 4 observations, so n equals 4, giving us a sample mean of 2. You'll also see sigmas when you go to compute the variance and the standard deviation. You'll see this formula for the sums of squares, which is sigma x minus x bar squared. If you recall the order of operations, first you're going to do what's in the parentheses. So first we'll take each score minus the mean of 2 that we just computed. Then we're going to do the exponent. We'll square each of those. And finally we'll add. We'll take the summation. So this formula is equivalent to each score, so 0 minus 2 squared. And then the second person was 2 minus 2 squared. The third student, and the fourth student. So first we do what's in the parentheses. We're going to have negative 2 squared plus 0 squared plus 1 squared and 1 squared. Next, we do the exponents. Negative 2 squared, remember a negative number squared is always going to be a positive number. So 4 plus 0 plus 1 plus 1 gives us 6. And again, that is our sums of squares, which is equivalent to this formula.